Hello everyone. I'm gonna take my dinner. Mukaon ako. Atinit, sa'yo tawag galing atinit? Chicken mo na atinit, no? Chicken
fillet.
Kani miswa. Miswa ni siya.
Tuna miswa. Ano, tuna flakes. Kain ka pa?
Chicken nuggets. This is vegetable salad. No, this one, vegetable salad.
Kasi hindi ka lang bilhin properly. Ginawan mo. Dapat pagpunit tayo ang phone. Hindi maayos.
Every Wednesday, ito gabi, nag-adjourn yung prayer meeting sa mga church. After prayer meeting, na may dinner fellowship. This is my life. This is my daily routine every Wednesday. Why I need to join the prayer meeting? Not only for requesting prayer request, but a prayer meeting is also a worship. Part of the worship, praising songs, offering to your lives, to your life to God. Dili lang ang prayer meeting nga mag-pray, worship. Adoring to our God, adorations, thanksgiving. That's prayer meeting. Aware na mo. Naisop din si tuwa nito na ito. Mahal na ito na cook dito.
Bawal ang sa mga religion.
Mormons ka.
Bad food man yan, live. Ngayon pa na yung salad okay, good food na.
Hal, naisala dito hal o. Ano dito?
Turon? Turon. Sabi. Nara out chicken, no? Isa daw ng cellphone.
Kaya ako nang iprindag, huwag mo angkon. Kisa ni Blue.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for following me. Thank you for always watching my thank you for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing me and for following me, of course. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City, Philippines.